Hello everyone, my name is Mariah Marie Olivas and welcome to my reflection video for our course on Persuasive Communication under the guidance of Sir John Mark Marquez. In this video, I'll be sharing some key insights I've gained from three major topics we studied: the nature of language, the components of language, and the kinds of speech according to delivery. These topics have deepened my understanding of how language and communication function in both academic and real-world contexts. One of the first topics we discussed was the nature of language. I learned that language is not just a tool for communication. It's a system of symbols governed by rules and shaped by culture. What struck me most is that language is both universal and unique. Everyone uses the language, yet every language reflects the identity and value of its speaker. This helped me understand that communication is not just about words, but about meaning and context. It made me more sensitive of how I express myself, especially when speaking to people from different backgrounds. For example, I am from the section Borken, which is mixed with international students. I've started to pay more attention to clarity and respect in my communication, whether I'm in class, at home, or online. The next topic that resonated with me was the components of language, specifically the phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. Learning how these elements work together made me appreciate the complexity of even the simplest sentences. It also helped me realize why misunderstanding happen, not just because of what is said, but how it's structured and interpreted. For example, in group discussions, I now try to be mindful of my word choices and sentences constructions to avoid confusion. Professionally, this knowledge is useful in writing clear emails, reports, or delivering presentations where precision is key. Finally, the topic on kinds of speech, especially the impromptu speaking, was both challenging and enlightening. I used to fear being put on the spot, but learning strategies for organizing thoughts quickly, like thinking in simple structure, like the prep method wherein you state your point, you state your reason, you give examples, and then you summarize your point, has really helped. What I learned is that impromptu speaking isn't about being perfect. It's about being present, clear, and adaptable. I've become more confident in recitations, casual conversations, and even interviews. In professional settings, I know I'll often face situations where I have to speak without preparation. So this skill is definitely something I'll continue to practice and use. Looking back, this course has given me more than just a theoretical knowledge. It's changed the way I view and use the language. I now see communication as a dynamic process shaped by both the speaker and the listener. It's not just about sending a message, but about creating understanding. This course has made me more thoughtful and intentional communicator. I've become more confident, especially in speaking and expressing myself clearly. I've also developed a deeper appreciation for the role of language plays in shaping relationships, communities, and even cultures. To end, I'd like to say thank you to our teacher, Sir John Mark Marquez, and to my dear classmates for making this learning journey meaningful and memorable. Communication is a life skill, and I'm truly grateful for the knowledge and growth I've experienced throughout this course. Thank you, and I hope we all continue to use what we've learned to connect, express, and grow in our personal and professional lives.